calling all panda fans. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, it is a big box today. The box itself comes from Leuchtturm. Let's have a little look inside. It is the Panda Night Day Set. If you're a fan of Panda Coins and EMK, you would have seen these sets before in the past. This is the 2024 set. It has a wonderful mintage of 888 sets, which, if you're a fan of Chinese culture, you know is very lucky. Now, originally, this is printed on the silver version. Here we have the day version in color. Very, very nice. Now, what is cool, I actually thought the red object here in the front was an apple when I first saw this coin, but it's actually a Chinese ball, very similar to that of the Chinese flag in regards to the colors with the red and yellow stars there. It's a very sweet addition to this piece. So just to have this side by side, you've got the original silver coin there, 30 gram silver, that's 0.39 silver, those lovely pandas sitting there, and then you've got the night version as well. Always interesting to see the comparisons between the day and the night, and then comparing it to the original 10 yuan silver piece. Here is the night just by itself. The colouring on these coins has been really well done. Excellent. People's Republic of China, of course. Let's sit them here side by side and just have a look. So bright, the colours, really is great, standing out there. Now, I know that the set is called Night and Day, but it actually basically looks like winter and spring as well. We'll add in the silver piece there, and I do have another surprise for you. We have it in a gilded version as well. So if you're a fan of pandas, it's definitely worth checking out our range on the website. That's www.emk.com.